How to delete a collection on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Then click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. In here, click on the bookmark icon at the top. After you click on the bookmark icon, click on Collections. In here, click on the collection you want to delete. After you click on the collection, you will find an arrow at the top right corner of your screen. Click on the arrow at the top right corner of your screen. Now, at the bottom, you will find Delete Collection. Click on Delete Connection. Then, click on Delete again and you're good to go. This is how to delete a collection on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.